Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to scan digital code on Weverse. So if you want to scan the digital code on Weverse, what you have to do is use your phone's camera. From the Weverse application itself, you'll not be able to scan the digital code, so simply open the phone's camera on your device. Now after that, you can see over here the camera has been opened. What you have to do is simply place your camera on the QR code that you can see on your physical merchandise. After that, you'll be able to scan the digital code. Now the pop-up link will appear. What you have to do is tap on it, log into the Weverse account. After you do that, that particular reward will be linked to your account. Likewise, on some device, you'll not be able to scan it via the phone's camera. In that case, what you have to do is scan it via the Google Lens. What you have to do is simply open the Google Lens on your device. You can see over here Google Lens has been opened. Now from here you'll be able to scan the QR code of the physical merchandise. So like this you'll be able to scan the digital code. So that is how you scan digital code on Weverse. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.